But anyways, let's open. Ooh, upload my own unboxing video for a chance to win a free 1-year membership. Okay. That's pretty cool. I mean, I'm already doing it. Alright, let's... Hey guys, Brian here, and I'm just so pumped right now. 118 fishing here, and today I'm just so pumped for what just arrived in the mail. So, you guys remember how I ordered, I finally ordered a mystery tackle box. Lucky tackle box, fly fishing box, and I'm so pumped to find out what it has. So here it is. I've been waiting for this for eons, years, months, weeks actually, but now it's finally here. So let's do an unboxing video and we'll see what we can find. I apologize for the unkempt beard, but hey, when you're a fisherman spending all that time in the water, you don't really have time to... Alright guys, let's get started with this. So, let's turn on the light and let's begin opening the box. So, first of all, I'm gonna make one thing clear. I actually don't know anything about fly fishing, like, at all. I've actually, so this reel, I bought it and I've had it for some time, but I've never really used it. The rod, I bought it 2 weeks ago, about 2 weeks ago at Bass Pro. It was a cheap one, just so I could test waters. And let's open. Alright, so Lucky Tackle Box, the best baits, the best brands, the best spots. I am not sponsored. I don't know who would sponsor me. If someone would though, that would be pretty cool, even though I wouldn't make any bias. Warning, the contents of this box are highly addictive and may lead to exaggerated stories. Well, at least it doesn't cause cancer, according to the state of California. But anyways, let's open. Ooh, upload my own unboxing video for a chance to win a free 1-year membership. Okay. That's pretty cool. I mean, I'm already doing it. Alright, let's... Whoops. I'm not organized with my stuff, as you can see, but anyways. Alright, let's see what I have. Alright, so what's in the box? Alright, let's see. So, we have a copper John Bar GB. These flies, these are really nice. No, these are the elk. Nada! Nada! Seems like my piano fell, but I'm okay, actually. This is pretty good. I mean, I just gotta trust it sometimes, you know? These look really good. Now, when I fly fish, or well, what you could call fly fishing, I actually go to a little creek, and it's usually panfish or bass. Aw, shit. Not trout, but even then, this all seems like it'll come in really handy in my prospecting fly fishing career. Let's see what else. Trout tapers. Those would be these. So these are, if you don't know, well, I mean, if you're watching a fly fishing video, a fly fishing unboxing video, you probably would already know. But these, you add it to the end of your line, of course, to preserve the leader, I think. No, I don't know. I mean, I'm just starting out, but you know, I guess that's the beauty of fishing. You could get into it, and no matter what your experience level is, you will have fun, you know. And I also got some Dream Stream nipper, Japanese stainless steel. Ooh, on my Wamo Shinderu, am I right? And to exacting specifications to ensure that every cut, crimp, and clamp you make on the water is precisely what you intend. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually really useful. Specifically because there's this hook that I got caught on hunting bag, and I had to cut the hook or make it less sharp in order to take out the barb. But this is really useful, and it's pretty cool. I like the red, something I would hang around my, not coat hanger, you know, my keychain. These looks like salmon eggs. What is this? We also got some Umpqua nippers. A nipper, workhorse nippers with hook eye cleaner. Then we got some stickers. Cool Lucky Tackle Box sticker here. That's pretty cool. I got a wanna get lucky. I got a cup holder and a bunch of hooks. I think these are full fly tying hooks. And I've actually wanted to get into this. When I was younger, I would always try to hook some flies. tie some hooks and to make some flies, but you know, I've never been successful. So anyways, so let's get a recap. We got this, the stickers, a nipper, a hook filer, a lot of flies, well, 2, 4, 6, 8 flies, which is really good considering that I only have 2 so far. Lucky tackle box. I guess mystery of that other brand. Yeah, it was I think what sold me is that it had fly fishing. And, you know, I'll make a video sometime soon of me actually using the flies or the gear in this box, using the gear in this box. And I actually enjoyed this. You know, and I love that they actually gave me this sheet of paper so I could actually like present my stuff in a clear manner. And I never thought I'd make an unboxing video, but here I am. Anyways, guys, that's it. And thanks for watching. That has been my unboxing video. You can leave now. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, good night, wherever you are, and goodbye. Peace out. Goodbye. You know, I've had the Scooby-Doo magnifying glass for God knows how long. And, you know, I guess it's gonna come useful for my... Because, yeah, I'm making more unboxing videos, I guess, but it's like... I guess magnify the stuff, so...